Chemical coordination and integration. Question number 1. Select the right match of endocrine gland and their hormone among the options given below. Pineal gland, melatonin. Thyroid gland, tetraiodothyronine. Ovary, estrogen. Adrenal medulla, epinephrine. So, option number D. Which of the following hormones is not secreted by anterior pituitary? Answer will be oxytocin. Third, Mary is about to face an interview, but during the first 5 minutes before the interview, she experiences sweating, increased rate of heartbeat, respiration, etc. Which of the following hormones are responsible for her restlessness? Answer will be adrenaline and non-adrenaline. Fourth question. The steroid responsible for balance of water and electrolytes in our body is aldosterone. Next, thymosin is responsible for differentiation of T lymphocytes. Sixth question. In the mechanism of action of a protein hormone, one of the second messengers is cyclic AMP. Leydig cells produce a group of hormones called androgens. Corpus luteum secretes a hormone called progesterone. Cortisol is secreted by adrenal. A hormone responsible for normal sleep-wake cycle, melatonin. Next question. Hormones are called chemical signals that stimulate specific target tissues. Their action depends on the presence of receptors on the respective target tissues. Which of the following is the correct location of receptors in case of protein hormones? Answer will be plasma membrane. Next, choose the correct option among the following options. Match the following. Epinephrine increases heartbeat. Testosterone stimulates muscle growth. Glucagon, breakdown of liver glycogen content. ANF, atrial natriuretic factor, decrease in blood pressure. So, option B. Which of the following organs in mammals does not consist of a central in calcium level balance in human body? Answer will be thymosin. Next question. Which of the following organs in mammals does not consist of a central medullary region surrounded by a cortical region? Answer will be liver. Last question. Which of the following conditions is not linked to deficiency of thyroid hormones? Answer will be exophthalmia. Neural control and coordination. Question number 1. Chemicals which are released at the synaptic junction are called neurotransmitters. Question 2. Potential difference across resting membrane is negative. This is due to differential distribution of the following ions: sodium ion and potassium ion. Question 3. Resting membrane potential is maintained by ion pump. The function of our visceral organs is controlled by sympathetic and parasympathetic neural system. Which of the following is not involved in knee-jerk reflex? Answer will be brain. An area in the brain which is associated with strong emotions is limbic system. Mark the vitamin present in rhodopsin. Vitamin A. Human eyeball consists of 3 layers and it encloses lens, iris, optic nerve. Wax secreting gland present in the ear canal is ceruminous gland. The part of internal ear responsible for hearing. Cochlea. The organ of Cortis is a structure present in cochlea. So moving on to next chapter. Locomotion and movement. Question number 1. Match the following and mark the correct option. First muscle fibers, lactic acid. Slow muscle fibers, myoglobin. Acting filament, I band. Sarcomere, contractile unit. So answer will be C. Ribs are attached to sternum. What is the type of movable joint present between atlas and axis? Pivot. ATPase of muscle is located in myosin. Intervertebral disc is found in the vertebral column of mammals. Which one of the following is showing the correct sequential order of vertebrae in the vertebral column of human beings? Answer will be D. Cervical, thoracic, lumbar, sacral and coccygeal. Seventh question. Which one of the following pairs is incorrect? Answer will be hinge joint between humerus and pectoral girdle. Eighth question. Knee joint and elbow joint are examples of hinge joint. Macrophages and leukocytes exhibit amoeboid movement. Which one of the following is not a disorder of bone? Answer will be arthrosclerosis. Which one of the following statement is incorrect? Answer will be the muscles located in the inner walls of alimentary canal are striated and involuntary. 12th question. Which of the following statements is true? Answer will be head of humerus bone articulates with the glenoid cavity of pectoral girdle. Next question. Muscles with characteristic striations and involuntary are muscles of heart. Last question of this chapter. Match the followings and mark the correct option. Sternum, flat bones, glenoid cavity, pectoral girdle, freely movable joint, synovial fluid, cartilaginous joint, vertebrae. So option B. Moving on to next chapter. Excretory products and their elimination. Question number 1. The following substances are the excretory products in animals. Choose the least toxic from among them. Answer will be uric acid. Question 2. Filtration of blood takes place at Malpighian body. Which of the following statements is correct? Answer will be aldosterone facilitates water reabsorption. Which of the following is removed from our body by lungs? Answer will be CO2 and water. pH of human urine is approximately 6. Different types of excretory structures and animals are given below. Match them appropriately. Protonephridia, flatworms. Nephridia, earthworm. Malpighian tubules, cockroach. Green gland or antennal gland, prawn. So option A. Which one of the following statements is incorrect? Birds and reptiles are ureotelic. Which of the following pairs is wrong? Answer will be ureotelic insects. Which one of the following statements is incorrect? Answer will be inside the kidney the cortical region extends in between the medullary pyramids as renal pelvis. Question 10. The condition of accumulation of urea in blood is termed as uremia. Which one of the following is also known as antidiuretic hormone? Answer will be vasopressin. Match the terms with column 1 to 2. PCT, reabsorption of 70 to 80% electrolytes. DCT, ionic balance. Henle's loop, formation of concentrated urine. Counter current mechanism, maintenance of concentration gradient in medulla. Renal corpuscle, filtration of blood. So option B. Match the abnormal conditions in the given in the column A with their explanations given in the column B. Glycosuria, presence of glucose in urine. Renal calculi, mass of crystallized salts within the kidney. Glomerular nephritis, inflammation in glomeruli. Gout, accumulation of uric acid in joints. So option C. We can produce concentrated or dilute urine. This is facilitated by a special mechanism. Identify the mechanism. Answer will be reabsorption from collecting duct. 15th question. Dialyzing unit artificial kidney contains a fluid which is almost same as plasma except that it has no urea. So moving on to next chapter. Body fluids and circulation. First question. Which of the following cells does not exhibit phagocytic activity? Answer will be basophil. One of the common symptoms observed in people infected with dengue fever. Significant decrease in platelets count. Which among the following is correct during each cardiac cycle? Answer will be the volume of blood pumped out by the right and left ventricles is same. Cardiac activity could be moderated by the autonomous neural system. Tick the correct answer. Answer will be the sympathetic system stimulates heart rate and stroke volume. Mark the pair of substances among the following which is essential for coagulation of blood. Answer will be calcium ions and platelet factors. ECG depicts the depolarization and repolarization processes during the cardiac cycle. In the ECG of a normal healthy individual, one of the following waves is not represented. Answer will be repolarization of atria. Which one of the following types of cells lack nucleus in humans? Answer will be erythrocytes. Which one of the following blood cells is involved in antibody production? Answer will be B lymphocytes. The cardiac impulse is initiated and conducted further up to ventricle. The correct sequence of conduction of impulse is SA node, AV node, AV bundle, Purkinje fiber. The cells involved in inflammatory reactions are lymphocytes. The second heart sound dub is associated with the closure of semilunar valves. Which one of the following correctly explains a phase event in cardiac cycle in standard electrocardiogram? QRS complex indicates ventricular contraction. Which of the following statements is incorrect? Answer will be blood group is designated on the basis of the presence of antibodies in the blood plasma. What would be the cardiac output of a person having 72 Hz beats per minute and a stroke volume of 50 ml? Answer will be 3600 ml. Match the terms under given column A and functions with respective to column B. Answer will be, let's match it first. Lymphatic system to drain back the tissue fluid to the circulatory system. Pulmonary vein carries oxygenated blood. Thrombocytes, coagulation of blood, and lymphocytes to drain back the tissue fluid to the circulatory system. So option number B. Read the following statements and choose the correct option. Atria receive blood from all parts of the body which subsequently flows to ventricles. Action potential generated at sinoatrial node passes from atria to ventricles. Answer will be option number D. Action mentioned in statements 1 and 2 are synchronous. So moving on to next chapter. Breathing and exchange of gases. Question number 1. Respiration in insects is called direct because the tissues exchange O2, CO2 directly with the air in the tubes. Regarding the functions of our respiratory system, mark the wrong entry. Answer will be cleans up the air. A person suffers punctures in his chest activity in an accident without any damage to the lungs. Its effect could be cessation of breathing. It is known that exposure to carbon monoxide is harmful to animals because it reduces O2 transport. Fifth question. Mark the true statement among the following with reference to normal breathing. Answer will be inspiration is an active process whereas expiration is passive. A person breathes in some volume of air by forced inspiration after having a forced expiration. This quantity of air taken in is vital capacity. Mark the incorrect statement in context to O2 binding to hemoglobin. Answer will be higher pH. Mark the correct pair of muscles involved in the normal breathing in humans. Answer will be diaphragm and external intercostal muscles. Incidence of emphysema, a respiratory disorder, is high in cigarette smokers. In such cases, the alveolar walls are found damaged. Respiratory process is regulated by certain specialized centers in the brain. One of the following listed centers can reduce the inspiratory duration upon stimulation. Pneumotaxic center. CO2 dissociates from carbaminohemoglobin when PO2 high and partial pressure of CO2 is low. In breathing movements, air volume can be estimated by spirometer. Identify the correct and incorrect match about respiratory volume and capacities and mark the correct answer. First one, ICTV plus RV. This is 13. First one, IC equals to TV plus RV. This is incorrect. Next, vital capacity equal to TV plus IRV plus ERV. This is correct. Next, RV equals to VC minus IRV. This is also incorrect. Last one, TV equals to IC minus IRV. This is correct. So, answer will be B. The oxygen hemoglobin dissociation curve will show a right shift in case of high partial pressure of CO2, high P CO2. Match the following and mark the correct options. Earthworm, moist cuticle, aquatic arthropods, trachea, fishes, gills, birds or reptiles, lungs. So, option number B. Moving on to next chapter. Digestion and absorption. Question number 1. Select what is not true of intestinal villi among followings. Answer will be they only participate in digestion of fats. Question number 2. Hepatopancreatic ducts opens into the duodenum and carries both bile and pancreatic juice. One of the following is not a common disorder associated with digestive system. Answer will be tetanus. A gland not associated with the alimentary canal is adrenal. Match the two columns and select the correct among the following. Biomacromolecules of food. It will be converted into simple substances. Human digestive system, alimentary canal and associated gland. Stomach. Stomach, J-shaped bag-like structure. Thecodont, embedded in jawbones. Serosa, outer wall of visceral organs. So, answer will be option B. Another match the following. Duodenum, U-shaped structure emerging from the stomach. Epiglottis, a cartilaginous flap. Glottis, opening of windpipe. Cecum, small blind sac. So, C. Question number 7. Lipase, fats. Nuclease, nucleic acids. Carboxypeptidases, proteins, peptones, proteose. Dipeptidases, dipeptides. So, option D. Dental formula in human beings, 2123 by 2123. Liver is the largest gland and is associated with various functions. Choose one which is not correct. Answer will be secretion of hormone that called gastric. Mark the right statement among the following. Answer will be trypsinogen is an inactive enzyme. So moving on to next chapter. Plant growth and development. First question. Ethylene is used for hastening of ripening of fruits. Option B. Coconut milk contains cytokinin. The effect of apical dominance can be overcome by which of the following hormone? Option will be cytokinin. Match the following. IA, wheat free lawns. ABA, stomatal closure. Ethylene, ripening of fruits. GA, gibberellic acid, bolting. Cytokinins, hurrying of sperm DNA. Therefore, option A. Fifth question. Apples are generally wrapped in waxed paper. 2. Answer will be prevent aerobic respiration by checking the entry of O2. Growth can be measured in various ways. Which of these can be used to as parameters to measure growth? Answer will be increase in cell number, increase in cell size, increase in length and weight. Therefore, all of the above. The term synergistic action of hormones refers to when two hormones act together and contribute to the same function. Plasticity in plant growth means that answer will be plant growth is dependent on the environment. To increase sugar production in sugar canes, they are sprayed with gibberellin. ABA acts antagonistic to gibberellic acid. Moving on to 11th question. Monocarpic plants are those which flower once and die. The photo period in plants is perceived at leaves. So moving on to next chapter. Respiration in plants. The first question. The ultimate electron acceptor of respiration in an aerobic organism is oxygen. Phosphorylation of glucose during glycolysis is catalyzed by hexokinase. Pyruvic acid, the key product of glycolysis, can have many metabolic fates. Under aerobic condition, it forms acetyl-CoA and CO2. ETS, electron transport system, is located in mitochondrial intermembrane space. Which of the following exhibits the highest rate of respiration? Germinating seed. Choose the correct statement. Pyruvate is formed in the mitochondrial matrix. Mitochondria are called powerhouses of cell. Which of the following observations support this statement? Mitochondria synthesize ATP. The end product of oxidative phosphorylation is ATP plus H2O. Match the following and choose the correct option from those given below. Molecular oxygen hydrogen acceptor, electron acceptor cytochrome C, pyruvate dehydrogenase acetyl CoA, decarboxylation alpha ketoglutaric acid, option A. Moving on to next chapter. Photosynthesis in higher plants. Which metal ion is constituent of chlorophyll? Answer will be magnesium. Which pigment acts directly to convert light energy to chemical energy? Answer will be chlorophyll A. Which range of wavelength is called photosynthetically active radiation? Answer will be 400 to 700. 4. Which light range is most effective in photosynthesis? Answer will be violet. Chemosynthetic bacteria obtain energy from inorganic chemicals. Energy required for ATP synthesis in PS2 comes from proton gradient. During light reaction in photosynthesis, the following are formed: ATP, hydrogen donor, and O2. Dark reaction in photosynthesis is called so because it can occur in dark also. PEP is primary CO2 acceptor in C4 plants. Splitting of water is associated with inner surface of thylakoid membrane. The correct sequence of flow of electrons in the light reaction is PS2, plastoquinone, cytochromes, PS1, ferredoxin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The enzyme that is not found in C3 plant is PEP carboxylase. The reaction that is responsible for the primary fixation of CO2 is catalyzed by RUBP carboxylase and PEP carboxylase. When CO2 is added to PEP, PEP, the first stable product synthesized is oxaloacetate. So moving on to next chapter. Mineral nutrition. Which one of the following roles is not characteristic of an essential element? Answer will be changing the chemistry of soil. Question 2. Which one of the following statements can be best explain the term critical concentration of an essential element? Answer will be essential element concentration below which plant growth is retarded. Question 3. Deficiency symptoms of an element tend to appear first in young leaves. It indicates that the element is relatively immobile. Which one of the following elemental deficiency would show such symptoms? Answer will be sulfur. Which one of the following symptoms is not due to manganese toxicity in plants? Answer will be deficiency in both iron and nitrogen is induced. Question 5. Reaction carried out by N2 fixing microbes include. Answer will be option D. Bacteria carrying out these steps are usually phototrophs. Which of the following is not true? So answer will be bacteria carrying out these steps are usually photoautotrophs. Question 6. With regard to biological nitrogen fixation by rhizobium in association with soybean, which one of the following statement does not hold true? Answer will be nitrogenase may require oxygen for its functioning. Match the element with its associated functions roles and choose the correct option among the given below. Answer will be let's match it first. Boron, pollen germination. Manganese, splitting of H2O to liberate O2 during photosynthesis. molybdenum, component of nitrogenous, zinc, needed for synthesis of auxins, iron, component of ferredoxin. So answer will be 2. Plant can be grown in, take the incorrect option. Plant can be grown in either water or soil with essential nutrients. Option C. Moving on to next chapter. Starting plant physiology. First chapter, transport in plants. Which of the following statements does not apply to reverse osmosis? Answer will be, it is an active process. Which one of the following will not directly affect transpiration? Answer will be, chlorophyll content of leaves. The lower surface of leaf will have more number of stomata in a dorsiventral leaf. The form of sugar transported through phloem is sucrose. The process of guttation takes place. The process of guttation takes place when the root pressure is high and the rate of transpiration is low. Which of the following is an example of imbibition? Which of the following is an example of imbibition? Answer will be swelling of seed when put in soil. When a plant undergoes senescence, the nutrients may be withdrawn. Water potential of a pure water at standard temperature is equal to 0. Choose the correct option. Mycorrhiza is a symbiotic association of fungus with root system which helps in absorption of water and translocation. So answer will be both A and B. Sorry, not translocation, mineral nutrition. So answer will be both A and B. Based on the figure given below, which of the following statements is not correct? Answer will be, movement of solute will takes place from A to B. Movement of solute will takes place from A to B. It will not होगा. Next question. Match the followings and choose the correct option. Leaves, negative osmotic potential. Seed, imbibition. Roots, anti-transpirant. Aspirin, transpiration. So answer will be option A. Mark the mismatched pair. Answer will be amyloplast, store protein granule. Moving on to next chapter. Cell cycle and cell division. Meiosis results in production of gametes, reduction in the number of chromosomes, introduction of variation. So all of the above. At which stage of meiosis does the genetic constitution of gametes is finally decided? Answer will be anaphase 2. Meiosis occurs in organisms during. Answer will be sexual reproduction. 4. During anaphase 1 of meiosis, homologous chromosomes separate. Answer will be A. Mitosis is characterized by equal division. Question number 6. A bivalent of meiosis 1 consists of 4 chromatids and 2 centromere. Cells which are not dividing are likely to be at Z0. Which of the events listed below is not observed during mitosis? Answer will be crossing over. Identify the wrong statement about meiosis. Answer will be 2 cycle of DNA replication occurs. Select the correct statement about G1 phase. Answer will be DNA in the cell does not replicate. So moving on to next chapter. Don't skip or else you may miss 4 marks. ठीक है. Biomolecules. Question number 1. It is said that elemental composition of living organisms and that of inanimate objects like earth crust are similar in sense that all the major elements are present in both. Then what would be the difference between these two groups? Choose a correct answer from among the following. Answer will be living organisms have more carbon, oxygen, hydrogen per unit mass than inanimate objects. Option C. Question number 2. Many elements are found in living organisms either free or in the form of compounds. One of the following is not found in living organisms. Select that. Answer will be magnesium. Third question. Amino acids, as the name suggests, have both an amino group and a carboxylic group in their structure. In addition, all naturally occurring amino acids, those which are found in proteins, are called L-amino acids. From these you can guess from which of the compound can the simplest amino acid be made. Answer will be methane. Question number 4. Many organic substances are negatively charged, example acetic acid, while others are positively charged, example ammonium ion. An amino acid under certain conditions would have both positive and negative charges simultaneously in the same molecule. Such a form of amino acid is called zwitteric, zwitter and ionic form. Fifth question. Sugars are technically called carbs, referring to the fact that their formula are only multiple of CH2O. Hexoses therefore have 6 carbons, 12 hydrogens and 6 oxygen atoms. Glucose is a hexose. Choose among the following another hexose. Answer will be erythrose. When you take cells or tissues pieces and grind them in acid in a mortar and pestle, all the small biomolecules dissolve in the acid. Proteins, polysaccharides and nucleic acids are insoluble in mineral acid and get precipitated. The acid-soluble compounds include amino acids, nucleosides, small sugars, etc. When one adds phosphate group to a nucleoside and one gets another acid-soluble biomolecule called, answer will be nucleotide. Seventh question. When we homogenize any tissue in an acid, the acid-soluble pool represents cytoplasm. The most abundant chemical in living organisms could be water. A homopolymer has only one type of building block called monomer repeated n times. A heteropolymer has more than one type of monomer. Proteins are heteropolymers made of amino acids. While a nucleic acid like DNA or RNA is made up of only 4 types of nucleotide monomers. Proteins are made up of 20 types of monomers. Proteins perform many physiological functions. For example, some functions as enzymes. One of the following represents an additional function that some proteins discharge. Answer will be hormones. Glycogen is a homopolymer made up of glucose unit. The number of ends in a glycogen molecule would be equal to number of branches plus 1. A pure protein should normally have 2 ends. Enzymes are biocatalysts. They catalyze biomolecules, biochemical reactions. In general, they reduce activation energy of reactions. Many physiochemical processes are enzyme mediated. Some examples of enzyme mediated reactions are given below. Tick the wrong entry. Answer will be formation of peptide bond. Moving on to next chapter. Cell, the unit of life. A common characteristic feature of plant sieve tube cells and most of the mammalian erythrocytes is absence of nucleus. Select one which is not true for ribosome. Have no role in protein synthesis. Which one of these is not an eukaryote? Anabaenia. Which one of the following dyes is best suited for staining chromosomes? Safranin. Different cells have different sizes. Arrange the following cells in an ascending order of their size. Choose the correct option among the followings. फर्स्ट विल बी माइकोप्लाज्मा, उसके बाद आएगा बैक्टीरिया, उसके बाद ह्यूमन आरबीसी और उसके बाद ऑस्ट्रिच एग्स. सो ऑप्शन नंबर ए. Which one of the following features is common to prokaryotes and many eukaryotes? Cell wall is present. Option B. Who proposed the fluid mosaic model of plasma membrane? Singer and Nicholson. Which of the following statements is true for a secretory cell? Rough endoplasmic reticulum is easily observed in the cell. What is tonoplast? Membrane boundary of the vacuole of plant cells. Which of the following is not true of an eukaryote cell? It has 80th type of ribosome present in mitochondria. Which of the following statements is true for plasma membrane? Carbohydrate is never found in it. Plastid differs from mitochondria on the basis of one of the following features. Mark the right answer. Presence of chlorophyll. Which one of the following is not a function of cytoskeleton in a cell? Intracellular transport. The stain used to visualize mitochondria. First green. Structural organization in animals. Which one of the following types of cell is involved in making of the inner walls of large blood vessels? Squamous epithelium. To which one of the following categories does adipose tissue belong? Connective tissue. Which one of the following is not a connective tissue? Muscles. The clitellum is a distinct part in the body of earthworm. It is found in segments 15, 16, 17. Seta help in locomotion in earthworm but not uniformly present in all the segments. Select among the following that represents seta. Clitellar segment. Which one of the following statements is true for cockroach? The larval stage is called caterpillar. Match the following and choose the correct option. Adipose tissue, fat storage, stratified epithelium, hyaline cartilage, nose, fluid connective tissue, blood. So stratified epithelium, skin. Option number A. Match the followings and choose the correct answer. Hermaphrodite. Larval form absent. Direct development. Testis and second option. Direct development. Testis and ovary in same animal. Chemoreceptor. Sense of chemical substances. Blood gland in earthworm. Produces blood cells and hemoglobin. So option number B. Match the following with reference to cockroach and choose the correct option. Phelomere, bundles of sperm. Gonopore, the external genitalia. Spermatopore, opening of ejaculatory duct. Ovadules, chain of developing ova. So option number D. Match the following and choose the correct option. Touch. स्मेल होगा nasal epithelium. ठीक है. Cranial nerves, peripheral nervous system. Touch, sensory papillae. D. Medulla oblongata, foramen magnum. Option D. Anatomy of flowering plants. Question 1. A transverse section of stem is stained first with safranin and then with first green, following the usual schedule of double staining for the preparation of a permanent slide. What would be the color of the stained xylem and phloem? Answer will be red and green. Match the followings and choose the correct option from below. Meristem, actively dividing cells. Parenchyma, photosynthesis, storage. Collenchyma, mechanical support. Sclerenchyma, sclerites. Epidermal tissue, stomata. Answer will be option B. Match the following and choose the correct option from below. Cuticle, waxy layer. Bulliform cells, empty colorless cell. Stomata will be Gerd cells. Epidermis, single layer. So answer will be option A. Identify the tissue system from among the following. Answer will be option A, parenchyma. Moving on to next question. Cells of these tissue are living and show angular wall thickening. They also provide mechanical support. The tissue is, option will be collenchyma. Epiblem of roots is equivalent to, answer will be epidermis. A conjoint and open vascular bundle will be observed in the transverse section of, answer will be dicot stem. Interfascicular cambium and cork cambium are formed due to, answer will be cell dedifferentiation. Phelogen and phylum respectively denote, answer will be cork cambium and cork. In which of the following pairs of parts of a flowering plant is epidermis absent? Option will be root tip and shoot tip. How many shoot apical meristems are likely to be present in a twig of a plant possessing 4 branches and 26 leaves? Answer will be 5. A piece of wood having no vessels, trachea, must belong to pine. A plant tissue when stained showed the presence of hemicellulose and pectin in cell wall of its cells. The tissue represents, answer will be collenchyma. Fibers are likely to be absent in, answer will be secondary xylem. When we peel the skin of a potato tuber, we remove, answer will be, you say, answer will be periderm. 16. A vesselless piece of stem possessing prominent sheath tubes would belong to, answer will be D, Trichodendron. Which one of the following cells types always divides by anticlinal cell division? Answer will be protoderm. What is the fate of primary xylem in a dicot root showing extensive secondary growth? Answer will be, it is retained in the center of the axis. Morphology of flowering plants. Question 1. Rearrange the following zones as seen in the root in vertical section and choose the correct option. Answer will be A. Root cap zone number 1. उसके बाद zone of meristems, उसके बाद zone of elongation, उसके बाद root hair zone, उसके बाद zone of maturation. Question number 2. In an inflorescence where flowers are borne laterally in an acropetal succession, the position of the youngest floral bud shall be. Answer will be distal. Question 3. The mature seeds of plants such as gram and peas possess no endosperm because endosperm gets used up by the developing embryo during seed development. Question number 4. Roots developed from parts of the plant other than radicle are called adventitious roots. Venation is a term used to describe the pattern of arrangement of veins and ventlets in a lamina. Question 6. Endosperm, a product of double fertilization in angiosperms, is absent in the seeds of orchids. 7. Many pulses of daily use belong to one of the families below. Tick the correct answer. Answer will be Fabaceae. Option number B. Question 8. The placenta is attached to the developing seed near the hilum. Answer will be hilum. Which of the following plants is used to extract the blue dye? Option will be Indigofera. Match the following and choose the correct option. Alluron layer, nutrition. एक सेकंड. Alluron layer, nutrition. उसके बाद parthenocarpic fruit without fertilization. Ovule will be seed and endosperm will be double fertilization. So answer will be B. Animal kingdom. Question number 1. In some animal groups, the body is found divided into compartments with at least some organ repeated. This character feature is named as metamerism. Given below are types of cells present in some animals. Each one is specialized to perform a single specific function, except answer will be interstitial cells. Which one of the following sets of animals share a four-chambered heart? Answer will be B. Crocodiles, birds, mammals. Which of the following pairs of animals has non-glandular skin? Answer will be B. Question number 5. Birds and mammals share one of the following characteristics as a common feature. Answer will be D. Warm-blooded nature. Which one of the following sets of animals belong to a single taxonomic group? Answer will be monkey, chimpanzee and man. Which one of the following statements is incorrect? Answer will be Fasciola is a pseudocoelomate animal. Which one of the following statements is incorrect? Answer will be in cockroaches and prawns, excretion of waste material occurs through Malpighian tubules. Question number 9. Which one of the following is oviparous? Answer will be platypus. Which one of the following is not a poisonous snake? Answer will be python. Question number 11. Match the following list of animals with their level of organization. Answer will be C. Organ system level, Pheretima. Organ level, Fasciola. Cellular aggregate level, Spongilla. Tissue level, Obelia. Question number 12. Body cavity is the cavity present between body wall and gut wall. In some animals, the body cavity is not lined by mesoderm. Such animals are called pseudocoelomate. Match the column A with column B and choose the correct option. Answer will be C. Porifera canal system. Aschelminthes muscular pharynx comb plates. Annelida metameres. Arthropoda jointed appendages. Echinodermata water vascular system. Plant kingdom. Cyanobacteria are classified under Monera. Fusion of two gametes which are dissimilar in size. Anisogamy. Holdfast, stipe and frond constitutes the plant body in case of Phaeophyce. A plant shows thallus level of organization. It shows rhizoids and is haploid. It needs water to complete its life cycle because the male gametes are motile. Identify the group to which it belongs to. Option D. Bryophytes. A prothallus is option C. A gametophyte free living structure formed in pteridophytes. Plants of this group are diploid and well adapted to extreme conditions. They grow bearing sporophytes in compact structures called cones. The group in reference is gymnosperms. The embryo sac of an angiosperm is made up of 7 cells and 8 nuclei. If the diploid number of flowering plant is 36, what would be the chromosome number in its endosperm? Option number C, 54. Protonema is haploid and is found in mosses. The giant redwood tree is gymnosperm. Biological classification. All eukaryotic unicellular organisms belong to option B, Protista. The 5 kingdom classification was proposed by R.H. Whittaker. Organisms living in salty areas are called halophilous. Naked cytoplasm, multinucleated and saprophytic are the characters of slim molds. An association between roots of higher plants and fungi are called mycorrhiza. A dikaryon is formed when the two haploid cells do not fuse immediately. Contagium vivium fluidum was proposed by option B. Mycoband and phycoband are found in lichens. Difference between virus and viroid. Absence of protein coat in viroid but present in virus. With respect to fungal sexual cycle, choose the correct sequence of events. Answer is plasmogamy, karyogamy and meiosis. Viruses are non-cellular organisms but replicate themselves once they infect the host cell. To which of the following kingdom do viruses belong to? None of the above. इसका एक separate kingdom होता है. Members of Phycomycetes are found in aquatic habitats, on decaying wood, moist and damp places, as obligate parasites on plants. So, all of the above. ठीक है. The living world. Question 1. As we go from species to kingdom in a taxonomic hierarchy, the number of common characters will decrease. Option A will decrease. Which of the following suffixes used for units of classification in plants indicates a taxonomic category of family? Option number C, ACE. Option number C. The term systematics refers to diversity of kinds of organisms and their relationship. Genus represents group of closely related species of plants or animals. The taxonomic unit phylum in the classification of animals is equivalent to which hierarchical level in the classification of plants? Option number C, division. Botanical gardens and zoological parks have collection of endemic and exotic living species. collection of endemic and exotic living species. Question 7. Taxonomic key is one of the taxonomic tools in the identification and classification of plants and animals. It is used in the preparation of monocrops and flora both. Option number C. All living organisms are linked to one another because they share common genetic material but to varying degrees. Which of the following is a defining characters of living organisms? Which of the following is a defining characteristic of living organisms? Response to external stimuli. Option number D. Match the following and choose the correct option. फैमिली के साथ ऑप्शन 5, ठीक है, सोलानेसी. किंगडम के साथ प्लेंटी. ऑर्डर होगा पॉलीमोनियल्स. स्पीसीज इसके साथ ट्यूबरोसम. जेनस सोलानम. सो ऑप्शन नंबर ए. ठीक है, ये रहा टोटल 10 ऑब्जेक्टिव एमसीक्यूज फ्रॉम द चैप्टर द लिविंग वर्ल्ड. ठीक है, सब्सक्राइब कर देना और नोटिफिकेशन बिल को ऑन कर दो फॉर नेक्स्ट चैप्टर वीडियोस. ठीक है, बाय.